Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the updated steps on how to lock your Messenger app for added security. To get started, you'll need to download an app locker like Lock-Fingerprint or any other similar app from the Google Play Store. Once you've downloaded the app, open it on your device to begin the setup process. Tap on Start within the App Locker interface to configure the locking feature. You'll be prompted to set up a pattern or add your fingerprint for authentication. Confirm your chosen pattern or fingerprint. Navigate to the App Lock option within the App Locker settings. Select Messenger from the list of installed apps that you want to secure with an additional layer of protection. From now on, whenever you attempt to open the Messenger app on your device, you'll be required to input the pattern or use your fingerprint for verification. By following these steps, you can effectively lock your Messenger app using the updated method, ensuring that your messages and conversations remain private and secure. This feature adds an extra level of security to your Messenger usage. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you enhance the security of your Messenger app.